10 km in a forest is not long. In a hiking, more open terrain, yes. 10 km is quite something. So this place is a bit like Oloolua. It's not secluded, it's not fenced, so anybody can access it from all four corners of the road. Yeah. So if you're gonna come here, you better have someone, a guide, friend. Actually, don't come here alone. How many kms have we clocked? Let's check the Strava or 1.4. No. What? Let's see. Strava says 2.4.
2.4.
Yeah. 2.4. It's like 7.